Welcome to Business Legal Lifecycle TV, the live TV show all about the legal aspects of your business to help educate you on complex legal terms in an easy to understand manner, to help understand why you need to do certain things in your business from a legal point of view, and to help you develop a plan for the future. Our mission at Business Legal Lifecycle is to help empower all small to medium-sized businesses around the world to get access to legal advice so that they can help build their communities and make the world a better place. Did you know that any business owner is on average 7 months away from losing everything? That is the average time it takes from a successful business to fold when an aspect of their business is not set up correctly. Have you ever wanted to get legal advice but didn't understand what was going on? Do you feel like there is a divide between lawyers and their clients? Then this TV show is for you. It is all about empowering you and your business with the knowledge and tools to ensure that this doesn't happen to you. Business Legal Lifecycle TV delivers a twice-weekly show focusing on the legal aspects of your business. At lunchtime on Mondays, we present Fast Fix Monday, a quick 5 to 10 minute show that will give you some actionable steps to consider for the week for your business. And at lunchtime on Wednesdays, we present our in-depth show of between 30 minutes and an hour, where we go through complicated legal aspects of your business in a simple to understand, plain English manner. And whether that is through educational pieces or interviews with experts in their fields. Hi everyone, and welcome to Business Legal Lifecycle TV and our podcast. Today is Monday, so we're doing Fast Fix Monday, and today is 6 things to have in your workplace policies. For anyone who doesn't know me, my name is Jeremy Stretton. I am one of the founders at Business Legal Lifecycle, and anyone who's been watching our shows this month will know that this month's theme is all about Phase 4 of the Business Legal Lifecycle, which is bringing on employees. And that's all about making sure that your employees, you've got the right employees for your business, and that you've got everything in place properly for your employees to make sure that they're all properly employed and got everything there. So today's show is about workplace policies. So what are workplace policies? Workplace policies are the documents and procedures that you have in place for your business that basically tell your staff what they need to do on a regular basis. So today are the top 6 things that you should have in your workplace policies. The first one is workplace safety policies. So no matter what type of business you have, you need to have some sort of safety policy. If you're a building and construction company, you definitely need to have safety on the workplace and the work site. Is paramount, so you need to have policies around that. If you're a law firm like what we run, you need to have your workplace policies and safety policies around what's meant to happen in the office. So that's the first one, and it's very, very important. The second one are disciplinary policies. So these are policies which say, well, how do you deal with staff if they do the wrong thing? It'll all be great if we all had staff who didn't do the wrong thing, but if that does happen from time to time. So we've got to make sure that you have disciplinary policies and that you enforce them and that you follow them. If you don't, what you find is that people just flout the rules and don't actually do what they're supposed to do. So disciplinary policies, very important to have in there, and you want to have also, make sure that you enforce them. The next one that has become more and more prevalent, I'm recording this in May 2018, if you're listening to this later. And the third one is device use policies. So, everyone carries around a phone, I have one right here, or an iPad, everyone's got, devices next to them. So you've got to make sure that you have some policies around how those devices are actually going to be used in your business. The fourth one is work hours and turnaround time. So work hours are very important. It's great these days, to have flexible working hours, but you've got to make sure that you properly define what those work hours are so that your employees know what they are and that you can enforce them. And the same as turnaround time. So if you're giving your employees work to do, you've got to set some expectations as to what the turnaround time is for that work so that they know. Because if people don't know, it's called Parkinson's law. If you give someone a week to do something, it'll take them a week. If you give them an hour to do it, it'll take them an hour. That might be a bit extreme, but it is definitely a phenomenon that I've seen many, many times as an employer, that the more time you give someone to do something, the longer it takes. The fifth one is really important, is debt collection policies. Having a policy and procedure about how you're going to get paid is crucial to any business. If you don't have a policy and procedure to make sure that you're paid and you perform work on credit in any respect, then you really need to go away and put those in place, because debt collection policies are crucial to making sure that you get paid on a regular basis. it also sets the expectation with your staff to make sure that they know what they're supposed to be doing as far as running the business and getting the money through the door. Because at the end of the day, if they want to get paid, you need to make sure that you're bringing money in. And the last one that needs to be dealt with is return and refund policy. So in many businesses, you might have a policy about where people can return goods or how they can refund or get a refund for what they've done. So you need to make sure that you've got those policies in place so that your staff and you know what those policies are and can enforce them as you need. So look, that's it from Business Legal Lifecycle TV for today, for Fast Fix Monday. Today's show was 94. So if you want to check out the show notes, please go to businesslegallifecycle.com.au/094. We'll have all the show notes. As always, please feel free to ask us any questions. If you've got any questions, you can email us at lifecycle@jeremystretton.com. It'll come up down the bottom in a second. And also feel free to post questions on the Facebook link if you're watching us on Facebook. If you're in Twitter, please tweet us. If you're on YouTube, you can always make comments there. We're here to help you. We want to provide you with excellent value. And if you're interested in finding out more, please let us know. We'll also link to our show notes in all those forums, and we'll provide all that so that you can see it. So businesslegallifecycle.com.au/094. So thank you very much for watching. We'll be back on Wednesday with show number 95. We're getting up there, and we've got a great interview with someone in the outsourcing space. So don't miss it. It'll be really interesting, and we'll conclude this month on May 2018 on phase 4, bringing on employees. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on Wednesday.